Are you actively looking for job opportunities? If your answer is yes, then you are at the right place. Welcome to Careerflow.ai, where we make your job hunting easier and smarter. Today, we are diving into how you can leverage LinkedIn to land your dream job. Did you know that there are over 58 million of companies on LinkedIn? Yes, you heard it right. And that's a goldmine of opportunities. So make sure you are tapping into its full potential. Watch this video till the end to learn how to search for a job on LinkedIn. 1. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Think of your LinkedIn profile as your digital resume, constantly being scanned by recruiters. So, before you start applying, let's get your profile in top shape. Make sure it highlights your current skills, experience, and career goals. To help you with that, we have Careerflow's AI LinkedIn Optimizer tool that will give you personalized insights and recommendations. The link of this tool is in the description box. Go check it out now. 2. Check out LinkedIn's Jobs feature. For that, simply click on the Jobs button in the top navigation bar. Within the Jobs section, select your preferences for a targeted job search. Make sure to turn on the Open to Job feature. You have no idea what a big difference this one simple step can make. 3. Elevate your job search on LinkedIn. The first one is target job title. Specify the exact job titles you are interested in. Be precise to avoid irrelevant listings. Secondly, the work location. Define your preferred work arrangements, whether it is on-site, remote, or hybrid. This helps filter out jobs that don't align with your preferences. Another option is the selection of employment type. If you're looking for a full-time, part-time, or contract job, just be clear. Additionally, you can also control who sees your open to work status. Choosing the recruiters only option can minimize unwanted messages. With your refined search criteria in place, set up job alerts to never miss a potential job opportunity. 4. Well, an active job search involves managing a multitude of details like job posting, application information, and much more. That's where a dedicated job application tracker comes in. You can use our job tracker tool to easily import job ad details, add personalized notes for each role, and track your progress throughout the application process. We hope you find this video informative. You can get the link of Job Tracker and LinkedIn Optimizer tool in the description box. Go check it out now to elevate your job hunting. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Careerflow.ai for more such videos.